ChemWhat channel, Chemistry and Biology Insights. ChemWhat, as a technology pioneer in metal nanomaterials, has developed a comprehensive nano-silver and nano-copper product portfolio, revolutionizing electronic device manufacturing. ChemWhat's platform includes 10 to 200 nanometer nano-silver particles, high aspect ratio, silver, nanowires, silver-coated copper composites, and customized functional powders, mastering core surface functionalization and self-assembled molecular film technologies. In flexible electronics, ChemWhat's nano-silver conductive inks achieve high-quality conductive layers at 150 degrees Celsius, compatible with temperature-sensitive substrates. At the same time, silver nanowire films maintain greater than 90% transmittance with less than 10 ohms per square sheet resistance, successfully applied in flexible displays and wearables, delivering 30% touch sensitivity improvement and over 100,000 bending cycles. For 5G and RF applications, ChemWhat's specialized nano-silver pastes feature less than 0.1 decibels per gigahertz insertion loss and plus or minus 0.5% frequency stability, reducing manufacturing costs by 30% compared to traditional etching. These pastes enable complex 3D antenna structures and achieve greater than 60 decibel electromagnetic shielding with a 25% weight reduction. The breakthrough anti-oxidation technology enables nano-copper to maintain stable conductivity at 280 degrees Celsius with greater than 95% IACS performance, achieving a 15% power density improvement and a 20% cycle life extension in electric vehicle battery applications. Meanwhile, nano-silver carbon composites optimize supercapacitor performance for regenerative braking systems. In biomedical applications, ChemWhat's controlled-release antibacterial coatings demonstrate greater than 99.9% efficacy against E. coli and S. aureus for 30 days, adopted by medical device manufacturers for catheters and implants. Whether you're developing next-generation flexible electronics, advancing 5G infrastructure, creating innovative energy storage solutions, or designing safer medical devices, ChemWhat's advanced nanomaterial technologies can significantly enhance your product performance, reduce costs, and accelerate time to market. ChemWhat channel, Chemistry and Biology Insights.